and Winnebago, and Green, Wisconsin. A heat issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ogle County in north central Illinois, western Lee County in north central Illinois, until 5:15 a.m. At 4:08 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Milledgeville, or 10 miles west of Polo, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dixon, Byron, Oregon, Mount Morris, Amboy, Polo, Forreston, Stillman Valley, Franklin Grove, Ashton, Lost Nation, Leaf River, Grand Detour, Nelson, Woodland Shores, Adeline, Aldena, Baileyville, Woosung, and Lee Center. Including the following Interstate 88 between mile markers 45 and 70. This includes Castle Rock State Park, Lee County Fairgrounds, Loudoun State Park, Ogle County Fairgrounds, Sauk Valley College, and White Pine State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.